Today, I'm gonna show you how to quickly get more organic traffic to your site without backlinks, content, or social shares. The secret? A new strategy called the click magnet method. I recently used this strategy to help take my site to the #5 spot in Google for the keyword list building. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how the click magnet method works, step by step. Last year, Moz founder Rand Fishkin decided to run a little experiment. One afternoon, he sent out this tweet to his followers. So that's what a bunch of people did. They searched in Google for iMech Lab and clicked on Rand's result. When Rand sent out that tweet at 6:03 p.m., his result ranked in the #7 spot for that keyword. What do you think happened after his result suddenly got all those clicks? Well, I'll show you. 3 hours later, his site shot up to the #1 spot in Google. Crazy, right? Let's quickly look at another example. This one comes from a little-known German SEO blog. The guy that runs this blog ran an experiment very similar to Rand's. He asked people in several different Google Plus communities to search for his keyword and click on his site. So what happened? His site jumped from #8 to the #1 spot in Google. Now, you might be wondering what's going on here. As you know, Google wants to show their users the best result for a given keyword. And they determine the best result by looking at things like backlinks, on-page SEO, social shares, and more. But as you can see from the 2 experiments that I just showed you, Google also uses your site's click-through rate to determine where you rank on the first page. For example, let's say that you're ranking #3 for your target keyword. Pretty cool, right? Well, it depends. If for whatever reason your title and description tag doesn't generate the clicks that Google expects, they'll drop you like a stone. And that means less organic traffic for you. That's because this low click-through rate tells Google this result isn't a good fit for this keyword. On the other hand, let's say that you're ranking #6. Normally, the #6 result gets about 4% of all clicks. But let's just say that for whatever reason, your result is getting 10% of all clicks. This tells Google, wow, people want to see this result. Let's move it up so more people can easily find it. That's the power of your site's click-through rate in Google search results. Now, I should warn you, in both of the experiments that I shared with you, hundreds of people suddenly started clicking on a single result. And that's why they saw such dramatic differences in their rankings. But because it's considered black hat, I don't recommend asking people to search for your keyword and click on your site. So the question is, how can you ethically get more clicks on your result? The answer? The CTR magnet method. It's a simple 3-step process that I recently used to rank in the top 5 for the very competitive keyword list building. And now it's time for me to show you exactly how I did it and how you can do the same thing. So a while back, I published a post called 17 insanely actionable list building strategies that will generate more subscribers. I was traveling when I published that post, so I totally forgot to write a unique title and description tag for that post. And because of that, my result on Google looked like this. Not pretty. As you can see, my title tag was cut off and my description tag made absolutely no sense. And as you might expect, my click-through rate was pretty terrible. Well, here's the exact 3-step process that I used to turn things around. Step 1, find AdWords ads. Step 2, include words and phrases from AdWords ads in your title and description tag. Step 3, get more clicks. Let's break down each step in detail. First, you need to find AdWords ads for your target keyword or for related keywords. Why? AdWords advertisers spend thousands of dollars on advertising for one main goal: to get clicks. That means the AdWords ads that you see are often the result of hundreds, if not thousands, of split tests. In other words, when you see an AdWords ad in Google, you know that it's optimized to maximize clicks. In my case, I noticed that most of the AdWords ads for the keyword list building use the words email list or email lists. I also noticed that these same AdWords ads use terms like build, grow, and boost. Once I got an idea of which words and phrases tended to show up in AdWords ads, I moved on to step number 2, which is to add these words and phrases to your title and description tag. In my case, I made sure to add the term email list to my description tag. This was one phrase that almost all of the ads used, so it made sense for me to use it too. Next, based on the other ads that I saw, I made sure to include the word build in my description tag. And once you've added these words and phrases to your title and description tag, you should find yourself with more clicks and more organic traffic from Google. In fact, soon after implementing the CTR magnet method on my list building post, it quickly went from number 12 to the number 5 spot in Google. Of course, the CTR magnet method was just part of the story. I also built several high quality backlinks to that page. But the improvement in my click-through rate definitely made a significant difference. Now, before we wrap up, I want to let you in on a little bonus tactic that you can use to improve your click-through rate. This technique works great if the AdWords ads that you found didn't generate anything useful. This tactic is using what are known as power words. And it's really simple. All you need to do is add these words and phrases to your Google result. These words have been proven over and over again to attract clicks. Why? Because all these words and phrases emphasize fast results. The fact is, when someone scans Google's first page, they're impatient. They want to read the content that's going to help them right now. And when you add these words to your title and description tag, you'll be the result they want to click on. Did you learn something new from today's video? If so, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button right here. Also, if you want exclusive SEO and traffic techniques that I only share with subscribers, head over to backlinko.com and sign up for the newsletter. It's free. Now, I want to turn it over to you. Which of the strategies from this video are you going to use first? The CTR magnet method or power words? Let me know by leaving a quick comment right now. It's a YouTube video, take one. All right, ready. Okay. Oh, we got to take a picture. I think I need a drink. Water, not whiskey.